Hello! Today, I want to tell you about my first visit to the beach. This is one of my happiest childhood memories. Even now, when I think about it, I can still smile. I can still remember the sound of the waves. I can still remember the smell of the sea. And I can still remember how excited I felt on that day. At that time, I was a young child. I had seen the beach many times, in pictures and on television. I saw blue water. I saw white sand. I saw people swimming and having fun, but I had never visited a beach in real life. One summer, my parents told me some exciting news. We were going on a family trip, and our destination was the beach. When I heard that, I became very happy. I asked many questions. How far is the beach? What does the sea look like? Can we swim there? Can we build sandcastles? My parents laughed at my excitement. For several days before the trip, I could not stop thinking about it. Every day, I counted the days until we left. Finally, the day arrived. I woke up very early in the morning. In fact, I woke up before my alarm. I quickly got dressed. I checked my bag many times. I did not want to forget anything. I packed my clothes. I packed a hat. I packed my favorite snacks. Then my family got into the car. The journey was long. We drove for several hours. At first, I looked out the window excitedly. I watched the trees pass by. I watched the houses and streets. Later, I became a little tired. But every time I remembered where we were going, I felt excited again. After a long time, something changed. The air smelled different. It smelled fresh. It smelled salty. My father smiled and said, "We are getting close." I looked out the window carefully. Then I saw something amazing. Far away in the distance, I could see blue water. A lot of blue water. More water than I had ever seen before. My heart started beating faster. A few minutes later, we arrived. I quickly got out of the car, and there it was. The beach. The sea seemed endless. The waves moved slowly toward the shore. The sand looked golden under the sunlight. The sky was bright blue. Everything looked beautiful. For a moment, I just stood there and looked. I could not believe I was finally seeing the beach with my own eyes. The sound of the waves was wonderful. The wind felt cool on my face. Seagulls flew above the water. People were swimming, walking, and laughing. The beach felt alive. I took off my shoes and stepped onto the sand. The sand felt warm under my feet. I laughed. It was a strange but pleasant feeling. Then I ran toward the water. When the first wave touched my feet, I jumped back. The water was colder than I expected. My family laughed. A few moments later, I became more comfortable. Soon I was running in and out of the waves. Every time a wave came, I laughed. Every time the water moved away, I followed it. I spent a long time playing near the shore. Later, my father helped me learn how to swim in shallow water. At first, I felt nervous. I was afraid of going too far. But my father stayed close to me. Slowly, I became more confident. I practiced moving my arms and legs. Although I was not a very good swimmer, I enjoyed trying. After swimming, we sat under a large umbrella. My mother brought sandwiches and fruit. Everything tasted better at the beach. Maybe it was because I was hungry. Or maybe it was because I was happy. After lunch, I decided to build a sandcastle. I used a small bucket and a shovel. I worked very hard. I built walls. I built towers. I made little roads around the castle. To me, it looked amazing. My younger cousin helped me. Together, we spent nearly an hour building our castle. Then something funny happened. A large wave came closer and closer. Before we could stop it, the wave reached our castle. A few seconds later, most of it was gone. At first, I felt disappointed. But then we started laughing. We decided to build another one, and another one after that. The afternoon passed quickly. We played games. We collected shells. We took photos. We watched the waves. Every moment felt special. As evening arrived, the beach became quieter. Many people started leaving. The sun slowly moved lower in the sky. Then I saw my first beach sunset. It was one of the most beautiful things I had ever seen. The sky turned orange, then pink, then purple. The colors reflected on the water. Everything looked magical. My family sat together and watched quietly. Nobody talked very much. We simply enjoyed the moment. I felt calm and happy. I wish the day would never end. Eventually, the sun disappeared below the horizon. The sky became darker. It was time to leave. As we walked back to the car, I looked at the beach one last time. I felt a little sad. I did not want to go home, but I also felt grateful. I had experienced something wonderful. During the drive home, I looked through the photos we had taken. Each photo reminded me of a happy moment. I smiled the whole way home. That night, I fell asleep quickly. I was tired from swimming, running, and playing. But before I slept, I thought about the beach. I thought about the waves. I thought about the sunset. And I thought about my family. Years have passed since that trip. I have visited other beaches since then. Some were bigger. Some were more beautiful. But my first visit to the beach will always be special, because it was the first time I saw the sea. It was the first time I felt the sand under my feet. It was the first time I heard the waves so clearly. And it was a day full of happiness. Before I finish my story, I want to ask you something. Do you remember your first visit to the beach? What did you see? What did you feel? Maybe you have a special memory too. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.